John bought 5 more books than files. So again, more than draw model. So there are 5 more books than files. A book costs $12 and a file costs $5. I'm going to remove the extra 5 books here. Okay, the value of these 5 books is 5 times $12. No. Wait. There's another $1, $2, $3 more. So there's different concept. There's 2 more than. There's a 5 more than and 123 more than, right? So this more than you need to draw a model as well, because this represents the difference in value between the books and files, the total difference value in between the books and files. Still need to draw a model. Now, as usual, I need to remove the extra 5 books. Okay? So the value of these 5 books to remove is equal to 5 multiplied by the cost of the book, $12. So I need to remove $60 from the value of the books. So I look at the value model here. This is the books. I need to remove $60. So this 123, right? Extra, I cut out $60. So if I remove that 5 books and its value, the new total difference between the books and the files will be this. This will be a new total difference, which is equal to 123 minus 60. 63. Okay? So this will be 63. This will be a new total difference after you remove the extra 5 books. Now, this new total difference is the difference between equal number of books and files, right? So you can go back to concept 1. Because they are equal, you can group them like this. Take note, it's a total difference. So the differences in one group is 12 minus 5. If all these differences add up, it must be equal to the total difference of $63. Any question? Any question? So the difference in one group is $7, 12 minus 5. The total difference is made up of the differences in all the groups add up together to get 63. So if I use 63 divided by $7, I'll get the number of groups, 9, which means this is 9. Okay? Question is, how many books did John buy? It will be 9 plus 5. Okay? $14. Peter bought 7 more apples than mangoes. Again, more than, draw a model. Okay, 7 more apples than mangoes. A mango costs $1.30 and an apple costs 60 cents. Okay, this one don't need to draw a model. If he paid $5.60 more for the mangoes than apples, so the total difference, take note, I use the word total. The total difference between the value of the mangoes and apples is $5.60. Okay, I must tell you something, right? If the question says a mango costs $1.30 more than an apple, do you need to draw a model for that? You don't need, okay? I told you earlier that more than, less than, you must draw a model. But if the more than and less than is a comparison of 1 mango and 1 apple, 1 versus 1, don't need to draw a model. They're just telling the price difference. But when the difference relates to total difference, the total difference between all the mangoes and all the apples, you must draw a model. Like here, total difference between the number of apples and number of mangoes, you must draw a model. Difference between 1 apple, 1 mango, don't need. Okay? So not all more than, less than must draw model one. Okay, now come back to this. As usual, you got to take out the extra 7 apples. Okay? So the value of these 7 apples will be 7 multiplied by 60 cents. So 420. I need to remove the value of the apples, these 7 apples. 420. I remove from the apples model. Be careful, not from the mangoes model. So I remove 420. I cut it out, shade it. Now, this is the new total difference. Okay, the mango will be here. The value of mangoes, all the mangoes will be here. The value of all the remaining apples will be up to here. So the total difference between the mangoes and the remaining apples will be 420 plus 560, which is 980. Okay, this 980 is made up of differences between equal number of mangoes and apples. So I can group them together. The difference between the mangoes and one apple in each group, if I add up all the values of the differences in all the groups, it will add up to $9.80. Okay, so difference in one group is 130 minus 60 cents. Okay, if I use 980 divided by 70 cents, I get number of groups 14, meaning there is 14 here. Okay, maybe I don't need to do this. The answer keys we have there. Okay, so this 14 here and 14 here. Now the question is, how many apples are there? Apples will be 14 plus 7. Okay, 21. Marcus got it? Candice?
Yes.
Mistake. Must understand your mistakes, so that you don't make them again.